Welcome back to Turbo Track, the place where speed meets luxury, and today we're taking a leap into the future. The year is 2027, and the luxury automotive world has never looked more exciting. Some of the most iconic names in the business, Bugatti, Rolls-Royce, McLaren, Bentley, and Mercedes, have released their latest machines, and we're diving deep into what makes them extraordinary. From breathtaking exteriors to earth-shaking performance, and from opulent interiors to futuristic engineering, let's see how the kings of luxury are shaping the next chapter of automotive excellence. Let's start with Bugatti. In 2027, Bugatti has built on its legendary reputation with the successor to the Chiron. It's not just about top speed anymore, though it's still a record breaker. The car has embraced hybridization, pairing a quad turbocharged V16 with electric motors that push the total output beyond 1,800 horsepower. The exterior is razor sharp, with aerodynamics dictating every curve. Its wide stance and flowing surfaces almost look sculpted by the wind itself. The signature horseshoe grille remains, but sleeker and more integrated into the body. Around the back, a full-width light bar and massive active wing give it an unmistakably futuristic vibe. On the road, performance is unreal. 0 to 60 comes in under 2 seconds, and top speed comfortably clears the 300-mile-per-hour barrier while remaining stable thanks to active aero systems. Inside, it's less about plush luxury and more about cutting-edge minimalism. Carbon fiber, fine leather, and a floating digital cockpit keep the driver's focus razor sharp. Bugatti hasn't abandoned craftsmanship, but every stitch and surface feels designed for performance first. Now, let's step into the world of Rolls-Royce. While Bugatti chases speed, Rolls continues to perfect the art of moving luxury palaces. In 2027, Rolls-Royce has fully committed to electric propulsion. The new generation of the Phantom and the electric Spectre line has redefined what silent power feels like. The exterior is unmistakably Rolls, a towering grille, long sweeping proportions, and the spirit of ecstasy glowing proudly at night. But it's more refined than ever. Sleeker lines and subtle lighting give it a modern aura while preserving its classic presence. Performance in a Rolls has never been about raw numbers, yet the new dual-motor setup delivers over 700 horsepower, moving this immense machine with grace. The instant torque of electricity makes it whisper quick in a way that surprises anyone who expects something heavy and slow. Inside, it's pure theater. Starlight headliners stretch further, digital screens disappear into wood veneers when not in use, and the leather feels almost too fine to touch. It's a car that transforms every journey into a first-class experience. From raw performance we glide over to Bentley, the brand that blends performance with old-world charm. The 2027 Bentley Continental GT has been reborn as a plug-in hybrid grand tourer, offering both serenity and power. The exterior has been carefully evolved, long, muscular lines, an imposing grille, and quad headlights that now feature crystal-like detailing. It looks both stately and athletic. Under the hood, a twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor delivers close to 900 horsepower, enough to make this heavyweight surge forward with astonishing force while still cruising silently in electric mode through city streets. On a long drive, Bentley's adaptive suspension creates a magic carpet ride, yet it can stiffen instantly when the driver wants to feel more of the road. Inside, Bentley continues to master the art of hand-built luxury. Diamond-quilted leather, polished wood, and intricate metal detailing combine with digital displays that fade into the background. It feels like a drawing room on wheels, where technology hides beneath timeless craftsmanship. Switching gears to McLaren, the British automaker has pushed forward with a radical new design philosophy. Their 2027 flagship hypercar combines a twin-turbo V8 with advanced electric motors, producing nearly 1,400 horsepower while weighing less than many rivals. The car is focused on lightweight carbon construction has kept agility at the forefront. The exterior looks like something from science fiction. Diagonal doors open to reveal a body full of functional Eurotunnels, massive intakes, and a rear diffuser that looks like it belongs on a racetrack prototype. Performance is ferocious. McLaren has always been about feel, and the 2027 car takes this to another level with torque boosting, adaptive suspension, and razor-sharp steering. On the road, it's as close as you can get to a Formula One car with number plates. The interior is sparse yet futuristic. Bucket seats, a driver-focused digital display, and materials chosen for function rather than excess. It's not about pampering the driver, it's about connecting them to the road in the purest way possible. Finally, Mercedes. In 2027, Mercedes has made strides with its high-performance luxury line through both AMG and Maybach. The AMG hypercar has moved fully into electrified performance, combining a Formula One-derived hybrid V6 with advanced electric motors for a total of around 1,200 horsepower. Its exterior is muscular, low, and aggressive, with sharp creases and active aerodynamic flaps that constantly adjust for maximum efficiency and downforce. On the road, it's a beast. Acceleration is brutal, handling is precise, and yet it retains that everyday usability that Mercedes engineers pride themselves on. Step into the Maybach side of the family, and you find a different flavor of luxury. The new Maybach S-Class and SUV are designed for those who prefer to be driven. The exterior is elegant, with chrome detailing, long wheelbases, and a glowing grille that signals prestige. Performance here isn't about lap times but about seamless, effortless power delivery. The interior is one of the most advanced on the planet, reclining rear seats with massage, immersive entertainment systems, and an atmosphere that feels closer to a private jet than a car. Mercedes has also pushed ahead with sustainability, offering interiors crafted from advanced vegan leathers and recycled materials, proving luxury can also be responsible. What ties all of these brands together in 2027 is the way they've blended tradition with innovation. Bugatti remains the king of ultimate speed, but now embraces hybrid technology. Rolls-Royce has stayed true to effortless grace, but did so with whisper-quiet electric motors. McLaren still builds machines for purists, yet leans into electrification for even sharper performance. Bentley maintains its craftsmanship while adapting to the future with hybrids. And Mercedes balances both worlds, delivering hyper-performance with AMG and unmatched indulgence with Maybach. Looking at these cars side by side, you see 5 different interpretations of what luxury and performance mean in 2027. For some, it's about numbers and speed records. For others, it's about silence, comfort, and elegance. But in every case, these brands remind us why they sit at the very top of the automotive world. They don't just build cars, they create experiences, statements of identity, and rolling pieces of art. So whether your dream is to pilot a Bugatti past 300 miles per hour, glide silently through the night in a Rolls-Royce, carve mountain passes in a McLaren, cruise across continents in a Bentley, or enjoy the dual personality of Mercedes AMG firepower and Maybach luxury, 2027 has brought us an era of machines that redefine what it means to be at the pinnacle of driving. This is Turbo Track, and we keep bringing you into the world where engineering brilliance meets uncompromising luxury. If you enjoyed this journey through the future of Bugatti, Rolls-Royce, McLaren, Bentley, and Mercedes, make sure you subscribe, because the ride has only just begun.